The yummy grapes. Very sweet. It's so refreshing on a hot weather to eat like a freshly picked grapes. Today is Sunday morning, June 27th, and I'm going to take you on another garden tour. It's a little quiet today, aside from like the dog barking. So let's start here. This is the Anna apple. We harvested probably about 20 Anna apples from here, from this tree already. And these are the last of the apples clinging on the tree. And I think they are ready. So this is, let me back up here. This is the artichoke. I need to cut this for next season. And then this is the blueberry bush. Here we have a peach tree, like a donut peach tree. And these are the fruits. One more there. Is and then next to it is a this is nectar plum. So this is the fruit of a nectar plum. Oh, more up there. How are we gonna a lot more fruits up there. This is a Fuyu persimmon tree. Behind it is the cherry tree. We are growing different varieties of tomatoes. This is amethyst jewel. Very pretty tomatoes. And then this one is Isis candy. We started growing this last year and we love this tomato variety. And then this one is midnight snack. Very pretty too. Look at those tomatoes. And then this one is celebrity. These are like bigger tomatoes. Celebrity. I harvested one yesterday. And then next to it is the so this is early girl. This is taller than the rest of the tomatoes. This is pink ping pong, and then down here is a ripe fruit. Sorry. Like this is pink ping pong. I don't know if you can see. And then next to it is the indigo kumquat. This is the indigo kumquat. And then my favorite, Snow White Ivory. Here. This is Snow White Ivory. And then the Costolato Genovese. On the other side, we have this is Asian pear, Shinjeki pear. And then there are some fruits here. And another blueberry bush that got toasted because of the heat wave. We have rosemary there. These are like beans, the tricolor beans. And then this is like an apricot tree. This is the fruit of the apricot tree, and then more fruits up there. What's round thing? And then here we have another peach tree. This is red barn. There are some tiny fruits, like still very tiny, like this. Those are the fruits. And then what else? This is another lemon tree, same variety, Eureka lemon, with tiny fruits. More here and more there. And then moving on to this here. There is another pear tree here. This is Anjou pear. So the fruits are growing bigger. And then more fruits here. Oh, they like this. Look at those pears. And I'm sad. Hopefully it's not totally broken, but it's too heavy, so it should be okay. It will fall if it's broken. Probably, and like, you know, for the other fruits to grow too, since there are like 4 of them on that one. And this is our calamansi or calamundin. So like the fruits there, they're not ready yet. And then more fruits here. And there are more fruits there. If you can see. So this is the calamansi tree, and then behind it is the fig tree. This is the fig tree. There are like fruits on every branch. We get about like more than 1,000 fruits from this tree every season. Lots and lots of fruits. Like you can see that every branch has like this, has like 2, 4, 5, and then it will continue to grow. Like the branch will continue to grow, and each of those, like, you know, leaf will have like a fruit. And then here we have the grapes, the green variety. This is really like delicious grapes, like juicy and delicious. This is a perlet grapes. There we have on that box we have shishito peppers, and this is like another, like, oh, actually there are 2 here, blueberry bushes. This is kumquat. You see the tiny flowers here. There are a lot of flowers too. This is Nagami kumquat, and then here we have this is like fennel. So this is the grapes. So runs like from the middle, runs all the way there, and then through here. Oh, there's like some fruit left. Here are the fruits. Look at this. A bunch of grapes. Here we have this is blue pear. Oh, look at those, because it's a pear, like, you know, the shape is kind of like a pear, I think. Look, it's not like really round. So this is blue pear. Here is the ripe fruit. I'm not sure if you can see. And then next to it is another midnight snack. It's like the other one. Midnight snack. And then this one is lava flow. I've shown the ripe version of this in one of the videos when I made salads. So this is lava flow. Let's go to the other side where we have like more tomatoes. this is green zebra, one of my favorites because it stays green and makes like salad refreshing. Oops. And then this is the mislabeled tomato, so I still have to figure out what I like the variety of this one. This is labeled as celebrity. I don't think this is celebrity. Oh no, this is labeled like fantastic, super fantastic. I don't think this is like super fantastic. The other one here, behind here, it is sweet carniceros. Sweet carniceros. This is John Plum. And the other one is, this one is Virginia sweet, but it's not fruiting yet. This is Virginia sweet. And the next to it is the milkweed. This is a milkweed where monarch butterflies lay their eggs. These are the eggplant. The fruits. Look at those fruits. I harvested one yesterday. And then this is the flower. And more fruits here, down here. And then next to the eggplant, we have corn. These are like corn grown from seeds. And then there are a few that were bought as like seedlings. And then here we have a lemon tree. This is like Eureka lemon. Like there are fruits like these are the fruits. You see the fruits here. And then more fruits down here. Like those fruits. There's actually a lot of fruits and like the lower branches. Like here, here, and then more there. Like those fruits. Oh, like I have like the bulb there for like I still need to put them on the trees. This is a squash. This is squash. And, this is a French melon. This is French melon. Oh, it's heavy now. Look at the fruit of a French melon. Very cute. A bitter melon. There is a fruit of a bitter melon here. So this is bitter melon. And this is the fruit. And the flower, that yellow one behind it, over there is the flower. This is like yuzu lemon. So this is lemon, yuzu lemon. This is Valencia orange, and that's the grapevine. Oh, the yummy grapes. Very sweet. It's so refreshing on a hot weather to eat like a freshly picked grapes. This one is big. Oh, I feel good. They are all ready. Need to harvest them very soon. This is the sixth citrus, and this is lemon verbena. And here this is the laurel plant. Oh, and then another grapes there. Look at that grapes. And more grapes over there. Oh, there are a lot of grapes. And then This is the nectarine tree. So this is the fruit of a nectarine tree. It has a lot of fruits too. Ideally, you need to prune like the fruits. Like it has to be like every they have to be like 6 inches apart so they can grow bigger. But I don't prune them, so they are like smaller. Some of them are okay. Some of them are like smaller. Like look at those. A lot of fruits on like this, like just this branch. And that is the plum tree. There's no fruit this season. There were a lot of flowers. I don't know what happened. I think it rained and probably wasn't pollinated or something. I'm not sure. But that is a plum tree. And then here we have the sage. This is sage. Like the bush is sage. And that is fennel. This is our herb garden. This is a rosemary. This is basil, blue basil. I bought this not really for like the leaves, but more of for like the flowers, because bees love the flowers. And this is tarragon, which I have shown in on another video. This is splenda. This is like chives, and that is basil. And that is thyme. We have 6 varieties of mint. This is the this is strawberry mint, chocolate mint, orange mint, and then apple mint. And then here, this is another fennel. They're like growing season after season from seeds falling on the ground. This is oregano. Has bolted already too. And then we have more mint over there, which not as good as like during springtime. Oh, and there we have another calamansi here. That's another calamansi here, variegated calamansi. Look at this. This nectarine tree. Let's end our garden tour here on the grapes, because these grapes will be gone the next time I do a garden tour, since they are almost all ready to be eaten. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.